Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo is updated and unlocked. This avoids missing features. Next, open the phone app and tap the menu or three-dot icon to reveal options. Once done, look for a direct theme or display entry inside the phone app. If it is missing, make sure to open System Settings Personalization because some models centralize call log themes there. Doing this early saves time and ensures you change the right setting without jumping between apps. Now navigate to Themes or Caller ID within the phone or personalization settings and tap Call Log or Call Records to focus changes. You'll see a list of built-in themes and possibly an option to use a custom image. Preview each to check legibility and contrast. Once you pick a theme, adjust accent color or text size if available so names remain readable. If a custom image is chosen, position and crop it carefully. To avoid hiding timestamps, tap Apply to set the new call log theme, then immediately reopen the call log to verify that entries, timestamps, and action buttons still display correctly. This confirms your changes. If the theme doesn't appear, force close and restart the phone app, or reboot the device to refresh UI components. If problems continue, clear the phone app cache in Settings Apps Phone and reapply the theme. This usually resolves display glitches while preserving call data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.